What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're taking a look at Ethereum and its recent price action, and make sure to watch the video till the end for a price prediction for the short and the long term as well. First things first, please smash the likes, subscribe and hit the bell icon. YouTube is not pushing crypto content out currently and our subscribers aren't getting notifications, so make sure to join our free Telegram to stay up to date with all of our videos as they are posted, links in the description. It really helps if you hit the like. We're posting 4 videos per day, so come back every day for daily updates and analysis. And make sure to comment down below for your chance to win a hardware wallet in our new monthly giveaway. We'd also like to thank you all so much for your support. We've just hit 10k subscribers, so make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, we're just letting you know that YouTube is currently censoring our content from what we can tell. Our reach to new viewers is officially down like 80% lower than it was a month ago, which is obviously absolutely insane. So please just make sure to tap that like button now, just give it a tiny little click. It really helps our channel out so much and lets more people see our content. We've just hit 10k subscribers as well, so thank you all so much for your support. We really appreciate you all. We're making daily crypto videos, so make sure to check back every day to the channel manually, or join the free Telegram in the description to get updates of every video being posted. As we said, we'll post all of our videos there, and it doesn't seem as though even if you have all notifications turned on and you are subscribed to the channel, that you're actually getting notifications about our content. So quite clearly something is going badly wrong. Obviously YouTube saying that nothing is happening and everything's functioning normally, but that is not what we've been hearing from our subscribers whatsoever. So pretty clear in our opinion that something is amiss, and that YouTube is just basically playing coy and saying that nothing's wrong, but obviously something bad is happening. So make sure to tap that like button, it really helps us out. So if we take a look at Ethereum here, it does look as though we've been on a nice little uptrend over the past few days, hasn't it? We've been making higher lows here. We're having a little tiny correction to the downside now on our hourly chart, as you can see here. But this is likely only because Bitcoin's probably had a little push to the downside, which has liquidated a few people, and obviously Ethereum is tracing it pretty much identically. But from what we can tell, more or less we've just been ranging, haven't we, inside of this range here, as you can see, for some time. And quite clearly we've come back to the middle of the range now, which is nice to see. Ethereum, I think, is actually performing a lot better than Bitcoin recently, probably because of EIP 1559 and the upgrades that are coming. With Ethereum soon to become deflationary, it does seem as though the demand for Ethereum is obviously going to rise over time, and we do think Ethereum is probably going to do very well in the long term. It's obviously a very established crypto. Something interesting that we do think is happening here. Let me just make this line a bit less ridiculous, because this is our macro trend line. As you can see, we've been stuck under resistance here for quite a long time, ever since we hit almost $4,500. It seems like a long time ago since this happened, doesn't it? That's around a 2x from the current price, by the way. So even if you just bought Ethereum and held it to the previous all-time high, you would be doubling your money. So interesting stuff. But as you can see, we came down massively here. Obviously came back up, retested this resistance here. Found the price action lacking, and we've rolled over again, retested the previous levels of support. Found a decent amount of support here at around $1,700, and we have actually come back up again, broken out of the resistance and back tested it nicely, and now it looks as though we are actually on the upside here. So obviously in the short term here, we are having a little pullback in the last hour or so, but overall it does look as though things are on the upside for Ethereum. We've broken out of this resistance that we've been stuck under here for some time, and it does seem as though we may be forming potentially something like this, that descending wedge that we seem to be seeing for a lot of cryptocurrencies. We could be seeing it for ETH here, and if that's the case, then obviously with the breakout, the retest, and now the breakout again, we could be on the up for Ethereum here, which is obviously very nice to see. We've obviously had this breakout and retest of the previous resistance here, which is good to see. As you can see, we are bouncing in and around here, in between and above this resistance, which is good to see. Potentially also respecting this nice little line to the upside as well. So currently in an uptrend over the past few days, but in the past week or so. So things looking good for Ethereum right now. Like, we've got no complaints really. We've had a nice little push to the upside. We came as high as around $2,400 here. We're currently retracing, we're at around 2,200 here, but obviously things looking quite good from what we can tell. Recently been horribly oversold, something we will continue to bang on about because we do think is very important. If we take a look at our daily time frame here, we're just illustrating what we've been talking about even more. I mean, Ethereum at $84, that's an absolute steal. As you can see, the last time we were this oversold was in the March 2020 crash, when we were at the bottom of this channel. And as you can see, we could come back all the way down to this bottom of this channel again here, potentially come back down to around $1,750, and then basically continue to the upside. If we did get a bounce back to the middle of this channel here, which we did do in the previous time we were this oversold, back to the middle of the channel, we would potentially be looking at something like a $3,200 Ethereum in the next month or so. Obviously, which would be a nice little full recovery. We'd be moving to the upside there, which would be really nice to see, obviously. And then, as you can quite clearly tell, if we kept going and respecting this blue macro trend line, which we have been respecting here for some time, and we have continued to respect even in the recent correction, if we continue to respect this over the next year or so, I mean, we'd be looking at very nice price targets for Ethereum, 5K, 10K, maybe even upwards of 20K here at the peak of the bull market, which could be, you know, early January 2022. So by our estimation, things looking completely fine for Ethereum. Taking a look at the weekly time frame here, just so we can nullify those talks of a bear market. As you can see, we've been holding the 20 EMA here. We did come down below it, but it does look as though we have actually pushed back above it here. It's early days, obviously, with a new week. It's the Monday today, but as we can see, I mean, everything's looking fine in our opinion. We haven't even retested the 55 here. We'd have to be below the 55 and rolling over for us to be in a bear market realistically. So everything's looking fine. Like, I don't really see why people are calling for a bear market right now. Obviously things haven't been ideal, but quite clear that we've just become very overextended here, and we're having our correction. Obviously this happened last time here. We came down, touched the bottom of the channel, got overextended, came down below both our EMAs, but obviously oversold. We came back up. We've been trading upwards, getting really, really overextended from our 20 EMA here, and now we've come back and we're back testing support. And I mean, if we back test this blue trend line here, and we get the bounce like we did last time, like, we're going to be fine. Like, in the preceding few months, we came all the way back up to where we formed it, this little dip. So we would be coming back up to around this 4K level in the next few weeks, if we do respect this previous price history and do something similar to what we've seen before. So nothing to be concerned about in our opinion. Obviously, over the past hour or so, we are seeing a little sell-off here. We're probably, from what we can tell, this is probably just because Bitcoin's had a bit of a flash crash, which is absolutely fine. You obviously expect this in cryptocurrency. But as we said, over the long term, we do think things are going to do extremely well. So we do anticipate with Ethereum that we could be looking at this ascending triangle that we've been seeing for most cryptos here. As you can see, we actually did get a little breakout of this triangle, but we have actually fell back inside of it. So could potentially be looking at a bit of a price war in the next day or so, really, in the next few hours, seeing where this is going to go. It could potentially be an ascending triangle, which is obviously a bearish sign, but it remains to be seen what's going to happen. Obviously, this is what's been forming for Bitcoin, so do anticipate we could be looking potentially at a nice little bit of upside for Ethereum if it does break out of this pattern it's been forming. And then in the long term, like we said, we do think it's highly possible that if Ethereum keeps on the way it's going, we could be looking at some very, very nice prices for Ethereum by the end of the bull run, maybe 5, 10K, maybe even 20K, if we just keep following this trend that we have been adopting here, following this blue macro trend line. We could be looking at some very tasty prices. So that's our update today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let us know down in the comments section below. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can keep up to date with all of our videos. Remember to comment down below and be subscribed to enter into our brand new monthly giveaway for a hardware wallet. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're offering coin calls, one-to-one access to us personally, insight into our personal portfolio, daily research of crypto assets with massive potential, and access to our brand new 100x portfolio. With so many benefits, you might as well check it out below. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by signing up and then depositing $100 using our link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks, and then withdraw the money, so there's no reason not to do that, and they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 each. But don't forget to actually deposit as well after signing up, otherwise you won't receive the second stock. Scammers get worse every day, so make sure to protect yourself and your crypto online with Pure VPN. Sign up below for some big discounts. You can get access to block content and protect yourself from phishing scams, with super low monthly payments and high quality speeds. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.